Good morning, welcome to the Scottish Highlands, where today in this ranty run I ponder the complexities of the juxtaposition of the nuclear deterrent and the beauty of Scotland. So nestled up high in the Scottish Highlands, up in the Firth of Clyde, way up in a loch, up in the most beautiful landscape you can imagine. Up here lies probably one of the ugliest and what many people would argue one of the most necessary, and one that many other people would argue one of the least necessary things in the UK, and that is the naval base with the UK's nuclear submarines are sort of, I don't know, housed and launched from and filled up with submariners. I'm not really sure what happens in a submarine. In case you don't know what a nuclear deterrent is, that's several nations. Oh, I gotta get run over here. Yeah, several nations worldwide are constantly maintaining nuclear weapons around the world. Some of them in like land-based silos and launch tubes and things like that. Let's get down the beach. But for many places, including the UK, that nuclear deterrent is maintained in the form of nuclear submarines that are both powered by nuclear energy, meaning that they can stay underwater. I think theoretically, like, a nuclear submarine can stay underwater indefinitely, or until they run out of food. Just because there's like hundreds and hundreds of years of energy stored in the fuel cells of the nuclear reactor. But at the same time, these submarines carry in the UK the Trident nuclear missiles. This idea that all the submarines are out all over the world, and the enemies of the UK, whoever they may be, at any given point in time, know that if they push their button, if they launch their nukes towards the UK will simply pop off a command to the commanders. This was a terrible idea. I don't think I can get across here. Send a command off to the look at how beautiful this is. Send a command off to the commanders. Right, lemons have kicked off. Lemons have kicked off. Let them have it. And I think there's like 2 people on board. I'm basing on my submarine facts from watching the TV show Vigil and Hunt for Red October, so I'm not sure how accurate these will be. Yeah, they'll be like, lemons have kicked off, they've launched nukes at us, we need to retaliate. And so they'll push the button on our submarines, on UK submarines, and off go the nukes to obliterate millions of people in some other country. And that threat, that like horrendous, absolutely horrendous threat of extreme international violence, is apparently the main thing that maintains global peace. And it's such a strange thing to think about when you're up somewhere like this. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful, and you're just driving past a location where the capability to wipe out cities is just sitting there, just casually sitting there. It's mad. Not wanting to start a debate or anything. It just struck me as a very interesting juxtaposition. But nearly back at the hotel, or the inn. I'm going for a very short run this morning. Oh yeah, I didn't even mention why I'm in Scotland. Why I'm in Scotland. Oh yes. I should not have gone for that run. I'm up in the Scottish Highlands because we're filming a... Ooh, this looks like something I could fall down. There's even a rope. Ooh. Whoa. There's a dead seal down here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you have any thoughts on the fact that the nuclear deterrent is stored in your coastal waters? The seal has no real answers to this issue. And perhaps that's representative of how this whole thing goes, because are there any real answers? People who are for it say there's no way peace could be maintained. There's no way that people could just learn to respect and love one another just because we're all valuable, because we're humans and humans of value. But like the seal back there, sometimes there aren't easy answers to these questions. I think next time I might just do the driving.